Good morning dear students, welcome back. I am your physics professor Dr. Nagaraj. This is third video on Maxwell's equations and electromagnetic waves. In the two previous videos, I have explained the theory part of this chapter. So curl, divergence, gradient, del operator, Maxwell's equations, electromagnetic wave, second order differential equation, displacement, current, etc. So in this video, I am going to discuss numerical problems on this particular chapter. Okay, so normally questions will appear on the concept of gradient, divergence and curl. Let us see the first question. The first question goes like this. Find the gradient of this function, that is f of xy, which is equal to xy square plus x cube y. At given point x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Okay, this is gradient. Dear students, gradient is given by del f. Del f is equal to dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk. This is a del operator. Multiplication, simple multiplication, xy square plus x cube y. Okay, so this we have to simplify. Well, this is a partial differentiation. It is dou by dou x of xy square plus x cube y, that is given function, into I, plus dou by dou y of given function, that is again xy square plus x cube y, into j, and dou by dou z of again xy square plus x cube y into k. I think you have done problems of this type already in mathematics. Well, differentiate this with respect to x. We will have y square in the first term, and second term it will be 3x square y multiplied by I. Okay na? Plus now differentiate partially with respect to y. We will have 2xy here plus x cube over here into j plus dou by dou z of something. Actually this is going to become 0. Why 0? Because we don't have z term there. Okay, this is del of f. Now put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, then del of f is equal to 2 square plus 3 into 1 into 2 I plus 2 into 1 into 2, that is x and y, plus 1 cube j plus 0 because there is no z. Okay, that is equal to 2 square means 4 plus 6i plus 4 plus 1j. So ultimately it becomes 10i plus 5j. This is del f. Or you can write in terms of coordinates, it is 10 comma 5. So this is about the calculation of gradient. Well, next question. Again here it is the potential. Potential is nothing but a scalar. Potential in an electric field is given by f of xy is equal to x square minus y square. So function is given. Find the gradient. Once again it is gradient at the point P minus 1 comma 3. So this time x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 3. Ditto problem. Once again del f. First you write the del operator. This is del operator. Dou by dou zk. Actually I should put cap on each of these two, but somehow I avoid, but even otherwise also there will be no problem. It is understood, it stands for unit vector. Into function, that is x square minus y square. So that is equal to dou by dou x of x square minus y square I plus dou by dou y of again x square minus y square j plus dou by dou z of again x square minus y square k. Well, that is equal to differentiate only with respect to x, it is 2x I of course, and only with respect to y minus 2y into j plus there is no z term in the last third parameter, so there is no z. Therefore differentiation of this one with respect to z is equal to 0. So finally it is 2xi minus 2yj. This is del f. Okay, now it is time to substitute for x, that is minus 1, y is equal to 3. Therefore we get del f is equal to 2 into minus 1i minus 2 into 3j. So finally minus 2i minus 6j. So this is my del f, that is gradient. Or I can write del f is equal to minus 2 minus 6. I hope you got this problem. So like this you can find out the gradient. Now comes the next one. Let vector p is equal to x square I y square j plus z square k. Find the divergence. Now it is divergence. If del f is equal to gradient, then del dot P is equal to divergence. That means we have to find the dot product. Okay, let us start. Del dot P equals dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk multiplied by, now it is not normal multiplication, dot product, x square I plus y square j plus z square k. Okay dear students, you know I dot I only we have to consider, athwa j dot j we have to consider, k dot k we have to consider, but I dot j or j dot k or k dot I equal to 0. So you take the dot product of only like unit vectors. So that is dou by dou x of x square, that's all, plus dou by dou y of y square, that's all, plus dou by dou z of z square, that's all. Okay, this is 2x plus 2y plus 2z, or if you want you can take 2 common factor, so it is x plus y plus z. So this is the divergence of the given vector. Of course it is finally going to be scalar quantity. Okay, I hope you are following. Now let us see the next question. Let velocity is equal to yi. Show that the flow is incompressible. When do we say the flow is incompressible? Only when divergence of the given vector is equal to 0. It is also called as solenoidal. What do you mean by solenoidal? See, if there is a solenoid like this, you know what is solenoid, and it is carrying current through the wire wound around it, then magnetic field lines converging at one point, means the lines entering here is equal to lines diverging from the other point, so lines coming out from here. So the total flux is equal to 0. If the total flux is 0, divergence is 0. If the divergence is 0, we say it is solenoidal. So solenoidal or incompressible, both are same. So what we have to do? First we have to find out the divergence and show that it is equal to 0. Well, let me do that. Dou by dou xi, dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk. This is obviously del operator. Dot given function yi. Okay, do it. Dou by dou x of y, because I into I is 1, plus 0 because there is no j parameter, there is no k parameter. Anyway, this is differentiation with respect to x, but there is no x here, so this is 0. Plus 0 and 0, obviously it is 0. That means del dot v equal to 0. Hence, given vector is solenoidal. Solenoidal or incompressible. Incompressible or solenoidal, both are same meaning. I move on to the next question. Let vector point function is yzi, zxj, xyk. Show that it is solenoidal. Once again same question. That means del dot p should be equal to 0. Let me see. Dou by dou x of I plus dou by dou y of j plus dou by dou z of k dot yzi. Okay, I put cap here, zxj, just to show the distinction between the two, distinguish between the two, xy and k. Okay, that is dou by dou x of first term only, yz, plus dou by dou y of second term alone, that is zx, plus dou by dou y of third term alone, that is xy, dou z of xy. Okay, in the first term there is no x, therefore it is 0, no y, there is 0, no z, therefore it is 0. Ultimately del dot p equal to 0. So that means given vector is solenoidal, hence it is solenoidal. So solenoidal antandre, you just find out the divergence, see that the divergence is going to be 0, that's all. Okay, now comes the next question. Well, the let vector function is p equals yz I cap, zx j cap, xy k cap. Find curl. Curl, is it rotational or irrotational? First let us see curl. What is curl? Del cross p, cross product, is equal to, and how to find the curl? I already explained this in the regular discussion. It is ijk, matrix you have to construct, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and then y coefficient, yz, j coefficient, k coefficient, and find the value of this. Okay, I into, you know how to find this, dou by dou y of xy minus dou by dou z of zx minus j into dou by dou x of xy minus dou by dou z of yz. Dou by dou x of xy, dou by dou z of yz. Okay. Next, plus j into, sorry, not j, now it is k. K into dou by dou x of zx minus dou by dou y of yz. See, it is like this. When you choose I, leave this row, this column, multiply these two minus multiply these two. Similarly for remaining also. Okay, now I proceed with the simplification. This is I into, when you differentiate this, you will have x over here. When you differentiate this, once again there will be x, because dou z by dou z is 1. Minus j into, well, here we left with y minus y. Please check this and convince yourself. Plus k into, once again you check this and convince yourself, it is z minus z. So that is I into 0 minus j into 0, y minus y 0, plus k into 0, finally it is 0. So the curl is 0. What is the meaning of curl becoming 0? It is irrotational. Irrotational. So if the divergence is 0, incompressible. If curl is 0, irrotational. Okay, I hope you got it. Well, here is one question. You please check this. Try on your own. Show that electric field represented by the vector is irrotational. Okay, so what all you have to do? Just find out the curl. So okay, just I write the matrix and remaining part you do on your own. Del cross I is equal to I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. I coefficient z square plus 2x plus 3y, y coefficient 3x plus 2y plus z, zx, k coefficient y plus 2zx. Okay, so you know how to simplify this. So that is I into something minus j into something. What is that something? You know, plus k into something. Finally you will get the answer as 0. So if answer is 0, given vector is irrotational. So I just leave it to you. This is one exercise part. Please try on your own. It is not a big thing, only a matter of time astene. So take the value of see I, when I take I, leave this column, this row, this into this minus this into this. Similarly j and k also. Well, the next question. The flux density is given by d is equal to so much in Cartesian coordinate, 1 by z square into so much. Okay, let me put j cap, I cap, k cap. Find the divergence at p equals minus 2, 3 and 5. Well, it is once again divergence del dot d equals dou by dou x of I plus dou by dou y of j dou by dou z of k dot d. Okay, 1 by z square into 10xyzi plus again 1 by z square. So I put one bracket here, I put flower bracket here, so that 1 by z square is common. 5x square zj plus 2z square, sorry, z cube minus 5x square y k. Close all the brackets. That's all. So that is equal to dou by dou x of I, dou by dou x I, not of, dou by dou x I, dou by dou x I plus dou by dou y j plus dou by dou z k. I retain as it is, dot. Now take z square inside. 10xyz to the power of minus 1. When I take z square, it becomes z to the power of minus 1. That is I plus 5x square z to the power of again minus 1 j plus 2z minus this I will write 2z minus 5x square yz to the power of minus 2k. Okay, now you differentiate dou by dou x of 10x yz to the power of minus 1 plus dou by dou y of 5x square z to the power of minus 1 plus dou by dou z of 2z minus 5x square yz to the power of minus 3 I think minus 2 correct, minus 2. Well, so differentiate this and substitute x is equal to minus 2 minus put after differentiation. I leave it to you to differentiate. After differentiation put x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 5 to get the answer. So you will get del dot d finally as a number. So please do this. So I have done 50 to 60% of the problem. Just differentiate it and find the answer. Okay, now find the divergence and curl of the given vector. Well, divergence again del dot d, that is equal to dou by dou x I plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk dot x square yi minus z cube 3xj plus 4y square k, that is equal to dou by dou x of x square y plus minus dou by dou y of z square minus 3x j plus dou by dou z. Why I took minus sign? Because there is negative sign here. Dou by dou z of 4y square, right? So that is equal to 2xy minus 0 because there is no y in the second term, plus 0 because there is a z in the second term. So finally del dot d is equal to 2xy. This is the divergence. Now coming to curl. So to find curl, we go ahead like this. Del cross d is equal to I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z x square y minus of z cube 3x 4y square. Okay, that is equal to I into dou by dou y of 4y square minus dou by dou z of minus z square minus 3x minus j into dou by dou x of 4y square minus dou by dou z of x square y plus k into dou by dou x of minus of z cube, z cube, this is z cube, not z square, z cube minus 3x minus dou by dou y of x square y. So this is the next step. Now you have to simplify. That is equal to I into first term. Differentiation of 4y square is nothing but 8y minus of minus z cube minus 3x. Actually I have to put one more bracket here, minus of minus z cube. So minus minus becomes plus, and with respect to z we are differentiating, it becomes 3z square, first term over, minus j into, with respect to x we have to differentiate here, it becomes 0. With respect to z I have to differentiate, again it becomes 0. So second term is 0. plus k into, coming to this one, with respect to x I have to differentiate minus into minus plus 3x, that is 3 only. When you differentiate x, no, dou by dou x of 3x is 3, minus into minus plus, of course, minus this becomes, with respect to y I am differentiating, so it is minus x square into k. So finally it is, okay, that's all. I think you can stop here, or you can write it as 8y plus 3z square I plus 3 minus x square k. This is the curl of the given vector. So like this we can find divergence, curl, gradient of different functions. Most of the numericals will be on divergence, gradient and curl only. Well, so please solve few more questions. I have given one problem for you to solve. Calculate the divergence of the vector vector f. That is del dot f you have to find out. So please take it as an assignment and solve it. And also write the position vector. Actually position vector problems will not appear, but very rarely they may ask position vector. Write the position vector, that is equal to 2. This is x coordinate, that is 2i. This is y coordinate minus 3j plus 4k. That's all. Find the magnitude, that is magnitude is equal to root of 2 square plus of minus 3 square plus 4 square. That is equal to root of 4 plus 9 plus 16. That is equal to root of 29. Find the unit vector, directional vector. You know vector p is equal to modulus of p into a cap. So a cap is equal to vector p divided by modulus of p. Vector p is 2i minus 3j plus 4k divided by root 29. So this is nothing but a cap is equal to 2 by root 29 i cap minus 3 divided by root of 29 j cap plus 4 divided by root of 29 k cap. So like this you can solve even this problem also. I hope you followed my lecturing. So please try to solve numerical problems from the textbook, selecting from the textbooks, and also 2 questions I have given here as an assignment, and follow the videos carefully and practice once or twice so that it will help you to face the exams. Thank you for your kind cooperation. I will stop the video here. Thank you very much.